Hi everyone. I made some improvements to my scanning mask. So these are updated instructions. So my new release scanning masks are basically the same with the old ones, but they come with a strip of adhesive attached. This is microsuction adhesive. It's residue free and washable. And whoever buys a scanning mask receives a few strips of this. Now, the way it comes in the mail when it gets to you has one strip attached that still has the little transparent layer on top. So first of all, you have to remove the little transparent layer. It's like a little plastic film. Voila. All right, and now you take your print and then carefully align it with the edges of the mask, and then push it down. Be careful not to touch the surface of the print, and you can use a dark slide or a ruined print, as I do, to basically make sure that the middle of the picture touches to the middle bar. And voila, this is it. This is ready for scanning. And if you want to pop, when you're done scanning, of course you just push it this way and just gonna peel off. See, residue free, and this is ready to be reused. This one came off a bit, but yeah. Anyway, so if they get dirty, you can reattach them, you can replace them, or wash this thing with some water. I have never actually tried washing them, but it's supposed to work. Thank you, bye.